My name is Jennifer May. I'm one of the owners of Ambiente Landscape Hotel here in Sedona, Arizona. We were the first in North America to be identified as a landscape hotel. That's a whole new classification of hotels that's kind of an up-and-coming design trend. It focuses mainly on the environment, and that involves creating outdoor spaces that people can enjoy year-round, and Bromic is a huge part of that. Sedona is surrounded by these iconic red rocks and these gorgeous views that not very many places in the United States have, and it's a mystical healing place for a lot of people. We came across this property and decided that we wanted to kind of flip the whole concept of a hotel inside out. Most hotels will build the environment for you. We wanted to have the environment of what Sedona is actually be the feature. Part of the beauty of a landscape hotel is that there's a lot of communal outdoor spaces. Arizona has a beautiful environment most of the year, but there are a couple months that are pretty cold, and Bromic hit those points for us where it had the modern minimal design. We did not want heaters to be too distracting, and we wanted people to be able to enjoy the outdoors no matter what time of year it was. A huge part of a luxury resort is having somebody there to greet you every time you pull into the property. So the Bromics on the lobby entryway were more functional. They help our valet team stay warm. On the back deck of the lobby building, that's a huge focus for our property. We have many guests that want to go sit out there, and they'll order drinks and cocktails and charcuterie boards to go up there. The Eclipse heaters are probably my favorite feature. We get the most compliments on that. It's very sleek and modern, and it allows you to enjoy the nature, and that's what Ambiente is all about. Bromic enabled us to create these spaces outdoors where people could enjoy it year-round. Marrying a modern and minimal feel with nature was what we were going for, and the Bromics fit into that perfectly.